Hello, my viewer. Welcome to my channel, Jane's Hair Care Solutions. We bring you content on hair care and wellness. And so, here I am, enjoying the view, enjoying the scenery. This is a real booster to one's emotional well-being, mental well-being, psychological. You realize that when you spend time in nature, interacting with nature, you experience healing because it is therapeutic. It is therapeutic. You experience a lot of good energy, and you need to prioritize your well-being. Take your time and spend time doing this. Take your time and spend time with nature. You will experience a lot of beauty, a lot of healing. It is a beautiful experience. And so, I am here to take you through the wellness journey. I hope you enjoy. Remember to tap that subscribe button and let's get talking in the comments section. And for those of you who might be interested to know, this is Lake Naivasha Simba Lodge. Beautiful scenery, very scenic, and it has got all that you will need as a person in terms of well-being. Water just has a way of lifting up the mood. The nature, wow. This is very beautiful. Very beautiful. So awesome. I hope you enjoy. Catch you again next time. Cheers.